friends, I'm Megha and today's topic is structure of atom. What is atom? As you have all know about this, what is the word atom? In Greek, the meaning of atom is indivisible particle. Means the smallest thing which cannot be further subdivided. That is called atom. Matter consists of small particles called atom. What is matter now? What is matter? Matter, as you've already studied also, I know that most of you all know that matter is that which has weight and occupies space. Means like this, the pen which I am holding. What is that? This is matter. Means it is weight and it is occupying space. So matter is solid, matter can be liquid, matter can be gas. So all the building block of a matter is atom. So atom is the building block of matter. Now, initially what we said that atom is indivisible particle. Now, after some experiments, the scientists studied that atom consists of 3 particles. That means what are these? These are the subatomic particles. The atom is further consists of 3 particles, and you have to learn that. What you have to know that is electron, proton, and neutron. These are the 3 particles which atom consists of. The electrons are those particles which are negatively charged. Protons are those particles which are positively charged. And neutrons are those particles which are neutral. They don't have any charge. Now what is the topic of our today's topic is structure of an atom. Structure means what is atom is made up of. Now we know that atom consists of 3 particles, electron, proton and neutron. Now after there was a scientist called Rutherford. He discovered apart from these 3, it consists of one more thing that is called nucleus. So now the atom consists of a nucleus and the 3 particles. Where is nucleus? The nucleus is found in the center of an atom. Suppose this is the structure of atom. Now this is the structure of an atom. Look closely over here. Now this is in the center. The center part is called nucleus. Now I'm not telling about what is inside the nucleus and all that. Just listen, what is this nucleus? So what Rutherford told that is in the center of the atom there is nucleus. Now this nucleus consists of 2 things. It consists of a proton and a neutron. Proton plus charge, this is proton, and those which are not having any charge, they is called neutrons. Then there was another scientist called Bohr, and he tells you about the theory. Now there is a Bohr theory which tells you about the arrangement of electrons. Now we know that in the atom, in the center of an atom, there is a nucleus. Okay, what is this? This is nucleus. And I told you that nucleus consists of proton and neutron. Now where do these electrons lie? These electrons, they are arranged in a fixed orbits. These are called what? Orbits. These are called the shells. The shells which is around the nucleus, these are called orbits. And electron revolve in these orbits. Now this is electron revolve in these orbits. Okay. So now the structure of atom is that the atom consists of a nucleus. Nucleus contains proton and neutron. And where the electron is moving? Electrons are moving in these orbits. Okay. Now electron, the arrangement. How many electrons each orbits can have? How many orbits? Orbits are arranged like they have K, L, M, N. The first shell is called K, second shell is called L, third shell is called M, and fourth shell is called N. Now I'll tell you that. Now electronic configuration means arrangement of electrons, and that is by the formula 2n square, where n stands for number of shell. Okay, the first shell I'm talking about is a K shell, in which n is equals to 1. Second shell L, n is equals to 2. Then M, n is equals to 3, and so on. The first shell, that is K, second shell L, third shell M. Now according to the formula 2n square, the first shell will have, n value of n is 1, so 1 square, that is 2. The first shell cannot have more than 2 electrons. It can only have 2 electrons. The second shell, n is equals to 2. 2 square 4, 4 to the 8. Right? How many electrons it can have? 8 electrons. The second shell can have 8 electrons. Then the third shell, 18. And so on. So this is the arrangement of electron. What is the formula? 2n square. The first shell K can only hold 2 electrons. L can only hold 8 electrons and N can only hold 18 electrons. So electrons are those electrons arranged in the fixed orbit. They move in the orbits. Okay. Now, yes. Now next is what is atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is equals to number of protons present in an atom. Okay, so what is the definition of atomic number? The number of protons present in an atom. If the proton are suppose, if protons are 4, so what will be the atomic number? 4. And protons and electrons are equal. So it is equal, my formula is like this. Atomic number is equals to number of proton is equals to number of neutrons. Okay, now next is mass number. Mass number is the sum of neutron and proton. What is mass number? Mass number is the sum of neutron and proton. Means it is actually the mass of the nucleus. Okay, I will explain you why with the help of an example, sodium atom. This is the sodium. Symbol of sodium is Na. Its atomic number is 11 and its mass number is 23. Now from this topic, now we have to find out how many electrons, how many protons and how many neutrons are in it and how to draw the structure of a sodium atom. Now look closely over here. Start. Now this is sodium atom. Sodium atom atomic number 11. It means atomic number, we know that atomic number is equals to number of protons. Then protons will be 11. Number of protons will be 11. Okay, proton is equals to 11. Now electrons, as we know, electron is equals to number of protons. So electrons will be also 11. Okay. Then neutrons, mass number is 23. How do we find the neutrons? The neutron is mass number minus atomic number. Simple. 23 minus 11. 12. So neutron is 12 over here. So inside the nucleus we will write proton and neutron. Proton 11 and neutron 12. Now electrons. How we will draw the electrons in this? Yes, now structure of sodium atom. Means mass, atomic number is how much? Is 11 and mass number is what? 23. Okay. Mass number is denoted by A and atomic number is denoted by Z. As we know that atomic number is equals to number of proton and proton is equals to number of electrons. So electrons, number of electrons will be 11, number of protons will be 11 and atomic number is also 11. So means proton is 11. Now mass number is what? Proton plus neutron. So we can find out neutron from this. So neutron is equals to mass number minus proton. 23 minus 11. That is 12. The neutron is 12. Now how many electrons we have? 11. How to represent in an electronic configuration? First shell it can have 2 electrons. Second shell according to that 2n square it can have 8 electrons. 8 plus 2 10, only 1 is left. 2 8 1. So this is the arrangement of electrons. How to represent this? 2 electrons, then 8 electrons, and in the last shell there will be 1 electron. Over here, look here. 2 electrons, 8 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 1 electron. So this is the structure of atom, sodium atom. In what is this? Nucleus. Nucleus consists of proton and neutron. And where electrons revolve? Electrons revolve in a fixed orbit or shell. These are called K-L-M-N. And how to fill that electrons in all these shells according to the Bohr theory. That is why formula 2n square. The first shell can have 2 electrons, second shell can have 8 electrons, third shell can have 18 electrons. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.